What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you the difference between the ultrasonic cleaner on a dirty carburetor. I always say that those ultrasonic cleaners are the best for these carburetors. They get the cleanest, the quickest, and the thoroughest. I know I didn't say that last one quite right, but here's what it looks like before we do the ultrasonic. And this thing's pretty nasty. I wiped it down a little bit. We were leaking a little bit at the gasket on the float bowl, so that's why we have this apart. Really wasn't too dirty on the inside, honestly. It doesn't need a cleaning, it was just leaking, so that's why we are doing this. But we're going to clean it and make it all nice and purty, because if it's off, why not? Can't put a dirty carburetor back on, even though it runs good and the outside looks like crap. So here we go. Put you guys like right over here. Alright. Alright, whatever. So with this part first, I have the gasket kit on its way. Like I said, everything was working great on this thing, so it's not like it super needed it. It just always how it works. You never can find the right one when you need it, just when you don't. Oh, and even the right one. That's my luck. Alright, so I'm going to put Dawn in all these ports, or at least some soap. And that's what I do, and it seems to work the best. I'll show you guys. Alright. So I got this hand soap stuff right now. Soap though. Shove it down there. Shove it down there. Down there. All right in here. Go down there. And then all around the carb. Down a little bit. and throw it in. Now, same thing with the float bowl. I got enough soap on my hands with this piece. Alright. We're gonna go get some more water. And we'll turn this guy. Alright, after adding your water, you want it to be just above that little rail right there. You'll see if you ever buy one. And then we're gonna bring on the temperature and turn it on. So I don't know if you can see that, but you can already see it kind of like going and doing something in that float bowl. How it's already cleaned. Can't see it here because of the bubbles. Oh, there you go. And it will slowly clean this whole thing. See that coming out of that port right there. So slowly cleans it. It's one of the best machines out there for cleaning carburetors that I feel, and also a lot of other auto parts and motorcycle parts. I clean a lot of side cases and cylinder heads, valve covers, pegs, anything that can literally fit in there, I'll try it. I put stuff that I'm not supposed to put in there too. This is about a 2.5 gallon one, and then we have a bigger one and then a smaller one for the small cars. But I wanted this one to be fully submerged in there. Alright, so here it is after the flush, the ultrasonic clean. Still has a little bit, but nothing as crazy as it did. And then the carburetor. But with the air, it's gonna blow it right off. So we'll see it in just a second when we're done. Good to go. Alright, here's the after. For using just water and hand soap, usually I use Dawn, and it does so much better. But this is decent. I'm happy with it. Looks better than what it was. We'll get it a little clean up more and then blow it off with the thing. But Dawn honestly is where it's at. I'll do another one with Dawn only.